আজকে আমি আপনাদের মোচার ঘন্ট রান্না দেখাবো। হাউ টু কুক মোচার ঘন্ট। To cook the mochar ghanto is very not so difficult, but main portion is the difficult of to extract the eatable portion from the mocha. You can see that from taking out the outer portion one by one, you can have that eatable portion just like this. These are the from the first, then end will be like this. You can see these are the first, then second, then third, last. These are the all eatable portion. And when you take it out one by one, you have to take out that sticky one, just like a stick. This to be thrown out. Actually, it is made of banana after fermentation, but since it is not fermenting, that's why the sticks should be taken out. And also small, little bit white, like a small boat, you can throw also this portion also. These are should be thrown out. These are thrown out, and these are the eatable portion of the mocha. These are all eatable portion. এগুলো আপনারা দেখুন, এগুলো এইভাবে আমরা বার করলাম একটা মোচা থেকে এইটুকু মাত্র খাবার জিনিস পেয়েছি। এটা হচ্ছে খাবার জন্য মোচা। এবারে ওই খাবার মোচাটাকে এবারে নাইফ দিয়ে কেটে কেটে এইভাবে সুন্দর চপিং করা হলো। নাইফ দিয়ে কেটে মোচার এইভাবে কেটে একটা পটে জাস্ট রাখা হয়েছে, কিপ করা হয়েছে। This is the eatable portion, all chopped with the knife as fine as you can. Then on a oven with the water and little salt and turmeric, লবণ এবং হলুদ মিশিয়ে ওই মোচাটা বয়লিং করতে দিয়েছি, জাস্ট বয়লিং দ্যাট mocha, and also little this also potatoes also mixed with here just for boiling. And maybe after few minutes, not few minutes, maybe 4-5 minutes, when they will be boiled properly, then take out the water, extract it with your drainage system, this kind of pot where water will flow out. And this is the our mocha, boiled mocha with potato, and that will be now mix. Somebody used mixer, but I used my hand to grind it. I'll show in the next. You can see this is that grinded mocha by hand. I have just mixed very nicely. No need of mixer or any other instrument. By using hand, you can mix it. I have mixed it with the hand. This can be now cooked. It will be now ready for cooking, as I can show you now for cooking. Here I can show you. You can see I put mustard oil and then one chili little bit and some sorts of our other spices. Then I will with the mustard oil, I'll just stir it. জিরে, গোটা জিরে দিয়ে, গোটা জিরে, কাঁচা লঙ্কা, পাকা লঙ্কা, ধনেপাতা, তেজপাতা দিয়ে জাস্ট একটু ফ্রাই করছি। নাও now I'll put that spices mixed here. Spices means grinded turmeric and salt with the water, mixing, put in that.
Imagine that I am taking the video recording in my left hand with the camera, and right hand I am using for mixing properly. I put little salt because that most of the salt has gone out. Little bit, not so much. I put little salt and also I put little bit sugar, not so much, just little bit sugar. Then I just put little bit of ghee. It was in the fridge, that's why it will be melt. It was in the fridge. Ghee. Better to put little ghee, that's all. And it is cooked.
After cooking, I have transferred that pot to some separate pot for eating. This is the cooked mocha ghanto. Hope you can enjoy. আশা করি আপনারা এই মোচার ঘন্ট খেয়ে সুস্বাদু পাবেন. I have tasted it. It is so nice. This is the mochar ghanto I cooked first time in my life at this age of almost 70. I have cooked because before I ate when my wife cooked it. Now, since my wife died almost 2 years, 4 months back, I have to cook now by myself, and I have cooked it. And since this is the banana mocha, it is from our own garden, and I cooked it this year myself. Uh, Before I normally give to our friends, but this time I cooked better to cook, and it is really tasty. Hope you can enjoy. Thank you very much.